Hey guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to delete your comments on Instagram. It is quite simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Instagram app, then head over to settings or your profile, click on the three lines in the top right, and then click on your activity. Once you're here, you're going to see many different options, but all you want to do is select interactions. You can then select comments, likes, story replies, or reviews. Go ahead and select comments. From here, you'll see all the comments that you have made. You can then click select and then click on whichever ones you want to delete. So once you have picked the ones you want to delete, I'll just do the very first one. You can click delete at the very bottom. And sometimes that might happen, might have a problem. But click that, delete. Have to wait for it. And as you can see, it's deleted now. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.